Good morning, traders. Welcome to followmetrades.com. Real Traders Club live session on Wednesday, May 10th, 2023. All right. Markets open and the CPI numbers are out, and they're good. So the market liked it, and the S&P 500, the Dow, the indexes are all up. The Dow's up. Yeah, it pulled back 0.01%. The S&P 500 is up 0.5%. NASDAQ 0.95. You can call that 1%. So again, this is all based on the CPI numbers, the inflation numbers, and you can see here month over month came in as forecast 0.4% year over year. This is the number, right? This is our inflation number. Forecast was to be at 5, came in at 4.9. And people are cheering that on. You get some context, and for the last long time, probably 20 years, right? 4.9, you were what? 4.9% inflation? That's outrageous, right? But last summer it was over 9%. So this is a relief from that. And in terms of the market, that could mean that the Fed is ready to take a pause, right, in there after 10 consecutive rate hikes. And based on the words that the Fed used in their last report, it's also mortgage demand is surging. And a lot of the ads I hear for mortgages now are, hey, house prices are down, even though rates are up, you can buy now, get a better deal. The tagline was, the home price is forever, rates are temporary. So go buy that house now, finance it, and refinance later. All right. S&P 500 daily chart. Yesterday we had drawn this wedge, and again that formation, whichever way it breaks, is typically the short-term direction. Well, it broke to the upside, so here we are. So that looks like short-term long on the SPY, at least up to that prior high. So watch for a trade alert if you're a subscriber, because we're probably going to take that trade long on the S&P 500. And there's really no other major announcements, market moving type stuff. Let's look back at the calendar. Tomorrow's PPI, producer price index, probably not going to be a surprise there. And then consumer sentiment on Friday. So those aren't huge. CPI was the big deal. And looks like we got some upward momentum, and we still are for the year in an uptrend, even though it's been kind of a difficult one. And recently in a channel, it is still technically higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Looks like heading higher. So that is where we stand. And again, we are going to try and capitalize on this high probability formation and what the market's doing in terms of make a little profit. All right, that's it for the market overview.